So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is Cloud CDN. So first of all, click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. And if you are wondering how you can enable this check my progress bar, you can check the description of this video. Now most important thing is that first of all, if you haven't checked the playlist for the trivia games and arcade games, do check out. Now we will be opening the console. So where the open console is present, just right click, open the cloud console incognito window. Now here basically we have to sign in, but sometimes it gets signed in automatically, so no need to worry about it. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now here you have to click on I understand and wait for the cloud console. Now here on the search box we have to open cloud storage buckets. So first step is creating a bucket. So let me show you. Wait for the page to fully load. Currently it's still loading, so you need to wait for some time. And yes, first we need to click on agree and continue. Then let me show you one thing. So here bucket, just click over it, and here we'll be creating a bucket with public access. Basically we'll be adding public access to it. So just see, create a bucket. So for the bucket we need a globally unique name. So where you'll find the name? So better let's select the project ID, because in the later part of this lab we'll be requiring this bucket. So just open here basically we have or you not paste the content. So let me show you what we have to paste. First of all, create the bucket, continue, and here on the public access control, just uncheck this, enforce public access prevention. Just uncheck and then click on create. Now wait for the bucket to create. Now we have to just activate the cloud shell, because we will be running the next steps there only. So here basically sometimes you may face this kind of error, so no need to worry, just click on create again, because maybe due to some technical glitches you may face this issue. So finally the bucket has been created. Now we have to upload a file to our bucket. So how we'll do? We'll be using Cloud Shell. So just activate the Cloud Shell here. Now it will take some time. If you are unable to click anywhere, just refresh the browser window and try again. Just click on continue and just authorize yourself in the Cloud Shell. The lab instruction, we have to copy this and paste on our notepad. You can use a personal notepad too. Now here we have to just replace the your storage bucket with our project ID, basically the bucket name. You have to replace it and just paste over here. Now select the entire content and then you have to just paste on your Cloud Shell session. So you can close the notepad also if you want, and just paste over here and hit enter. Now basically this will upload the PNG file on your cloud storage. So now what you have to do for the next part, you can use your online notepad also or personal notepad, as I said here. Now the work has been done for this part. Now you will hit check my progress. You won't get score because we have to add a public, because we have to make the bucket publicly available for all. So wait for it. Now here you have to just click on this permission tabs, just minimize it, scroll down a bit, and from here you will get an option like grant access. So just click on it. Now here for principal you have to just type all. You have to just start typing all and you can select the all users. Let me show you. As you can see here, two are there. You have to select only all users and just update the role to storage object viewer. So the role may update periodically, so always check the lab for it. Now it's here, storage object viewer. So now allow access, save, and wait for the policy to update. It takes some time, basically a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, so you need to wait for it. Now here just click on check my progress, and if you are not getting score, we can move forward to the next step. Now let's search load balancer. So just search load balancer and click on this first one. Now here we have to create a load balancer. So just click on create. Now if you want, you can keep hitting check my progress, but I will recommend you can move forward to the next step, because we will definitely get the score if you follow the way. As you can see, we got the score. Now we have to create a application load balancer and all the settings will be default. So first of all, copy the load balancer name. Now it's application load balancer. Now click on next. Now you can see there is no any other thing modification required, I mean. So just keep on hitting next, next, and just configure. Now configure it. Now basically here the name which we have just now copied, paste over here. Now first we have to configure the backend. So for backend bucket, we have to create a bucket, copy the name carefully. Now click on backend configuration. Here create a backend bucket. Now for bucket name, enter the name here and the bucket we have to select. So as you can see, we have to select the bucket which we just created on task number 1. If you remember, now just click on it and just select it. Now these things have been done. Now we have to update the value of client TTL and default TTL and one more maximum TTL to 1 minute. You have to update all 1 minute. Okay. So many of you may miss this, but you have to remember that we have to update all these to 1 minute. So make sure you are done. And the one most important thing is that catch content will be static one. So now after that, there shows enable cloud CDN API. So just enable it if it shows only. Now let's configure the front-end configuration. So for front-end configuration, you have to select these IP4, FA80 port. These all things have been already done. If there is another changes, I will make updated video. Now we have to just create it. Now this will take some time, so you need to wait for it. Basically it will take 1 or 2 minutes, and after that we'll be done with the lab. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and like the video. Now another important thing is that the arcade games which are running for the June session, you can check it out about these in the description or check the playlist. Now this will take some more time, so let's view how the load balancer is working. So it's the backend service has been set up. Now the front end will be working, so just wait for 1 more minute. Finally the load balancer is ready after waiting for 1 minute. Now we'll hit check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. So let's see. If you followed the way I've done, you will definitely get the score. No need to worry about it. And if you have liked the tutorial, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's move ahead and check the score. So as you can see, we got the score and we are done with the lab, guys. Have a great day ahead.